hate this here with all the ice on in the booth. At the gate outside, when they pull up, they give me loose. Yeah, jump out, boys. That's Nike boys hopping our coast. Way too big when we pull up, give me the loot.
What is up, y'all? We back with another snake lesson. As you can see, I'm going in right now to finger detangle my hair straight out the banding method, just to make sure it's prepped and ready to go. Right here, I just went ahead and parted my sections for the twist in the middle braid. I left the front portion of the middle braid out just so it can blend. And I added 3 rubber bands to the back so it can be easier to braid. I'm not the best braider, and that may be helpful to y'all. So let's hop right into these side twists. I already did the other section. First things first, I'm going in with the Murray's Age Wax, making sure it's smooth over my section. Now I'm taking my rat tail comb and making sure my hair is clear of any kinks or tangles. Now I'm getting my baby hairs out the way because you do not want to twist or braid your baby hairs. It gives like a strong forehead look when you have like a tight braid or twist to me. So as I mentioned before, I'm not the best braider, so we're gonna call it how it is. This is a struggle braid, so just go ahead and struggle down the middle if you have to. Right here, you're just gonna put your hair in a ponytail, leaving the braids out. Now it's time to prep the braiding hair. I'm gonna take one loop and bring it right through the other loop. It's as simple as that. I use this method all the time. And then we're going to attach that to our hair, making sure it's nice and secure so that ponytail don't go nowhere, okay? Okay, so now I'm just prepping my hair to be smooth enough to wrap around the kink-along hair. I'm going in with some Eco Styler gel, some water, and my dimming brush. And after it's smooth enough, I'm wrapping it around the kink-along hair and adding in bobby pins as I go. For a more seamless look, I'm going in with an additional piece of kink-along hair. I'm going to be using a crisscross effect, going back and forth over the portion of my hair that's left out. When I'm close enough to the end of the kink-along hair, I'm going to tie it on the side that the ponytail is going to lay and add in a bobby pin. You won't see it at all, okay? B didn't want them problems, y'all. I was killing her in that dance battle. Be honest. Alright. So I wanted some curls in my Genie Ponytail. So I'm going ahead and rolling the kink-along hair around my flexi rod, making sure I get a majority of the hair on there. It does not have to be perfect, okay? Please have y'all towel ready and please be careful. I cannot stress this enough. This is boiling hot water that you dip in the fake hair in. You want to leave it in there at least 20 seconds. But I would just say get somebody to help you dip your hair because this is very dangerous, y'all. For real. We are almost done, y'all. After taking each and every roller out, I towel dry the curls because the hair tends to still be wet after taking it out the boiling hot water. After that, I go ahead and separate the curls and it should look exactly like the left video plan. Nice and bouncy, you know, the works. So this part is definitely optional, but I feel as though it completes the look. It brings you from cheese nips to cheese its. And if you don't know the difference, God bless you. A real snack, you know.
Out of them.